You need to bend a line in Canva and there's no bend line option. Don't worry, I've got a workaround. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's quick and easy, so let's climb straight in. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add a text box. So if you go over here onto the left hand side of your toolbar, you're going to choose text and you're going to add a text box. Now this can be a normal text box. You can add a heading, subheading, or a little bit of a body text. So I'm going to use this one because it's the biggest. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold in shift and you are going to dial in a few underscores. Now once you're done, you're going to go up to spacing, and the letter spacing, you're going to go and move it all the way down. This will allow you to eliminate those gaps in between the underscores. Now you can play around with this and see what it looks like, but essentially we're trying to remove the spaces in between. The next thing we're going to do while this is selected is go to Effects. We're going to go to Shape and we're going to say Curve. Here you can change a few things. You can change the size of the line, and once you're happy with the size, you can go just underneath here and it'll allow you to change the amount of curve. So this is what it may look like. And that is how you can create a curved line in Canva.